Welcome to WizKids TV. Today we're going to be learning about sea animals. We're also going to give them a wash. This is a seal. Do you know seals have a thick layer of blubber underneath their skin? It helps them keep warm in icy waters. They're also very remarkable divers. They can swim for a surprisingly long time. They also have unique flippers. Seals have specialized flippers that make them agile swimmers. Look how clean he is. The next sea animal we're going to learn about is the hammerhead shark. Do you know hammerhead sharks get their name from their distinctive head, which is flattened and shaped like a hammer? They're also very social creatures. They have incredible migration. Some species of hammerhead sharks undertake impressive long-distance migrations. They can travel for thousands of miles, crossing entire ocean basins, possibly in search of food or sustainable breeding grounds. Now that we've watched him, look how clean he is. Let's see what sea animal we have next. Can you guess? We have a whale. Can you tell me if whales are big or small? That's right, whales are very big. They're one of the largest animals on Earth. Despite their immense size, whales are gentle giants, feeding primarily on tiny krill or small fish. They're very warm-blooded marine mammals. Let's see what we have next. This animal is called a platypus. They're native to Australia. Platypuses have a distinctive duck-like bill that is highly sensitive to touch and can detect the electric field produced by the muscles and nerves of their prey. This, combined with their webbed feet, makes them excellent hunters in the water. The male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs. Platypuses are also very sensitive to touch and have excellent hearing. Let's make sure he's nice and clean. There we go, he's all nice and clean. Let's see what animal we're going to wash next. Can you guess the next animal? Do you know what this animal is? This is a sea lion. Look how dirty he is. Let's wash him and learn about sea lions. Sea lions are energetic performers. They have a very playful behavior. They're often seen leaping, flipping, and clapping their flippers together. This agility is not just for show, it helps them navigate in the water and catch fast-moving prey. They're also very skillful swimmers and excellent divers. Sea lions love to swim. Look how clean he is. Let's see what sea animal we're going to learn about next. Do you know what this animal is? This is a whale shark. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks are filtered feeders. They primarily eat plankton and small fish. They are also known as gentle giants and are not considered a threat to humans. Each whale shark has a unique spotted pattern on their skin, similar to the fingerprint of a human. Let's make sure he's nice and clean. There we go, he's all nice and clean. Can you guess the next sea animal we're going to learn about? This is called an orca whale, also known as a killer whale. They are highly intelligent and have excellent communication skills. They're very powerful predators. Let's make sure he's nice and clean. He's very clean. Do you know what this animal is? This is a starfish, also known as a sea star. Starfish are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. Let's make sure it's nice and clean. Starfish move and feed using a unique water vascular system. Look how clean it is now. Let's see what our next sea animal is. This is a shark. Do you know there are over 500 different species of shark? Ranging from the small dwarf lantern shark to the massive whale shark. Sharks are constantly losing teeth. They have multiple rows of teeth. Look how clean he is. Our next animal is the stingray. Stingrays have flattened bodies that help them conceal themselves on the ocean floor. This shape, along with their ability to bury in the sand, provides excellent camouflage and protection from predators. Their tail is also extremely venomous. Now he's all nice and clean. Let's see what sea animal we're going to learn about next. This animal is called an octopus. Octopuses are very highly intelligent. They're masters of disguise and can change the color and texture of their skin to match their surroundings. This remarkable camouflage helps them avoid predators and ambush prey effectively. He's all clean. Let's see our next animal. This sea animal is called a sawfish. Sawfish are named for their long, saw-like rostrum, which is studded with teeth. Sawfish are found in both freshwater and saltwater environments. Let's make sure he's nice and clean. He's all nice and clean. Let's see what sea animal we're going to learn about next. Do you know what this sea animal is? This is a dolphin. Dolphins are known for their playful behavior and high intelligence. They often engage in acrobatic displays, leaping out of the water and riding the waves created by boats. He's all clean. The next. Do you know what this sea animal is? This is a crab. Crabs have a unique way of moving. They walk sideways. Their jointed legs allow them to scuttle sideways, which is not only an effective method of movement, but also provides them with a means of escape from predators. Crabs come in a variety of shapes and sizes. From the tiny pea crab, which is only a few millimeters wide, to the giant Japanese spider crab, which have legs that span over 3.7 meters long. Now he's all nice and clean. Let's see what our next sea animal is. Our next sea animal is a crocodile. Crocodiles are ancient creatures. They have been around for millions and millions of years and are considered distant relatives of dinosaurs. They have evolved very little since the time of dinosaurs and are often referred to as living fossils. Crocodiles have very strong jaws with a very powerful bite force. Their bite is one of the strongest in the animal kingdom. Now he's all nice and clean. Let's see what our next sea animal is. Can you have a guess? This is a seahorse. Seahorses are excellent at camouflage, using their ability to change color and their horse-like head shape to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them hide from predators and ambush their prey. Seahorses can move their eyes independently of each other, allowing them to scan the environment without moving their bodies. This remarkable feature aids them in spotting potential threats and prey. He's all clean. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for learning with me. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!